Okay, so hi guys. So today we're gonna be doing marshmallows in the microwave. So first you should get out your fluffy marshmallows, your chocolate Hershey's, and your graham crackers. So first we got over here some graham crackers, marshmallows, and Hershey chocolate. So you're gonna take your graham cracker. You want to put it on a napkin because the plate is going to roll the marshmallow and melt it. So you're going to grab how many you want. Put it in a row. Don't put it too close. Then you're going to get some marshmallows. Put it on there. Make it flat so you finish. The chocolate could go on. Then you're gonna put it in the microwave. You're gonna put it in the microwave. And make sure that all of the marshmallows are on there. And then you're gonna put it on about 15 seconds. And I'm gonna take them out. Just like that. And then you're going to take your chocolate and you're gonna put it on each marshmallow carefully. You're gonna push this over and you're gonna take your Hershey and put it on there. Take your graham cracker and put it on each. And then that's how you make s'mores in the microwave.